I'm gonna see how long it takes me or how fast it takes me to get to my top speed, which is about 31 miles an hour. All right, so here we go. Bam. Here we go. Takes me, bam, 16.5 seconds. So I go 0 to 31 in 16.5. I'm gonna try to do that with my new controller and see how fast I can get up to 30. Ready, set, go. Bam, 10 seconds. Not bad, people. Okay, so for those of you that have been watching my channel, you already know this. For those that haven't, I'm telling you now. I got a new controller recently. It's about $59 with the controller and the display. Pretty quick install. I had somebody do it for me. Requires some wiring, and you get unbelievable torque and unbelievable, power. So the bike literally just wheelies on its own, and you can see here that I went 0 to 30 like 5.5, 6 seconds quicker.
Don't blow a fuse.
Literally,
Don't
the only problem you have is occasionally you might blow a fuse.
So throttle only, people. Throttle only. Really. Trust me on that. Oh, damn it. I got so freaking close and then I blew a fuse. Damn it. So yeah, you might be saying to yourself, well, he's freaking blowing fuses. Yeah, it's a failsafe that's put on this bike because of the power the controller puts to the motor and the battery. And, you know, a package of 4 fuses is like what, $5? So a fuse is like $1, and it literally takes 20 to 30 seconds to change a freaking fuse. Okay, here is my setup. There is the new controller, and here is where you pop this up. You literally take the fuse out and you put the fuse back in. It might take you 25 seconds, okay? And that's all it is. Whenever the fuse pops, literally just open that, pull it out, put another one back in, that's it. And you got the new controller, and it's wired through the bike to the display, okay? So it's not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker for me by any means. So yeah, it's not a big deal to me that I have to spend $1 for a freaking fuse. And you might be thinking, wow, you know, it's putting so much pressure on the motor and the battery. Well, that's why the failsafe's there. Okay, so all in all, I feel pretty good about it. And here's a look at the display. So the bike actually has pedal assist and throttle levels. So when you go from 1 to say 5, you're not only upgrading the pedal assist level, but also the throttle level. So the throttle is commensurate with the pedal assist level. So you have it in pedal assist throttle level 1. Pedal assist only gives you a little bit of extra boost, and throttle can only go up to 7, for example. You put it into pedal assist / throttle level 5, you get full power pedal assist and full power throttle. So they kind of go hand in hand. But you know, it's just a standard display. It's a little bigger than the one that comes with the SUPER73 R. And that's it.